So hello everyone, I am Ismaila Emantil. So today I will discuss ethical challenges of business working in a globalized world. So dito iti-discuss natin kung ano ang kahalagaan o importansya ng ethical sa business field o sa business world, no? The number one, ethics creates credibility. Ethical and socially responsible companies gain public trust and respect, leading to increased customer loyalty and positive brand perception. So, ang sinabi dito is kapag ang company is ethical and socially responsible, is mas nakaka-gain sila ng trust, respect, and nagli-lead ito sa success. Kasi pag maraming nagtitiwala sa products and dun sa company is mas madami rin bumibili, so maraming pumapasok na pera and nagdudulo siya ng long-term run ng company. And number 2, ethics improves decision making. Ethical consideration and management lead to better decision aligned with public interest and employee well-being and long-term company goals. So sinabi doon is ethics improve decision. So, kapag ang nagpapatakbo ng company is, ang iniisip na is kung ano ang nakakabuti sa company na yun, is nakakagawa siya ng decision na mag-benefit lahat na, so including the owners, the customers, the suppliers, the government, no? So, yun yung sinasabi natin sa number 2. So, the number 3, ethics and profits. Ethical conduct and profitability are not mutually exclusive. So, ethics doesn't hurt profits. So, being ethical doesn't mean na mawawalan ka ng pera. In fact, is nakakatulong siya kung paano mag-growth at mag-success ang company mo, kung paano yun sisikat, paano magpapasok ang pera. Yun ang nagiging effect nito. Dito sa number 3, no? So the number 4 is ethic complements law. Law and regulations alone cannot fully protect society. So ang sinasabi doon is ang law is hindi sapat, no? Kailangan natin pagiging ethics. We need ethics too, or you need ethics. Law can't cover anything, no? And sometimes company need to do the right thing even if it's not legally required, no? So kailangan natin maging ethics para mas maganda yung mangyari, or mas maging maganda yung mga decisions natin, no? So, yun yung number 4. So, the number 5, globalization and stakeholders. And globalized world, business ethics significantly impact all stakeholders, shareholders, employees, customers, suppliers, competitors, government, and civil society. So, ang sinasabi din is ethics matters in a global world. So, because companies work across countries, ang sinabi din is may tinatawag tayo ng mga imported product galing sa ibang country. So, kapag may nag-aberya or nag-field, is lahat is na-apektuhan, no? Including owners, customers, workers, and even the government. So, kapag na-apply mo itong pagiging ethical, is maganda yung magiging decisions mo, or maganda yung magiging choices mo, and mag-effect siya, no? Mas magiging success yung business mo, is mas mag-growth pa yan. So, ethical behavior makes for better business environmental for everyone, no? So, in conclusion, no? Ang sinasabi dito sa conclusion is being ethical is good for business and the world. It builds trust, leads to better decision or positive decision, creates a more positive and sustainable environment for everyone involved. So, kapag maging ethical ka or ina-apply yung ethics doon, is mas napapabilis yung growth and success ng company. So, lahat is mag-benefit doon. That's all. Yun yung po yung report ko. Hope you guys understand, and thank you for watching.